It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday! I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys, we got to talk about Ipsy. Ipsy does send me boxes every month. This is the Return to the Wild collection. And check it out. I got 3 boxes. I got the Ipsy regular bag. These are $13. I haven't even opened these yet. This is going to be exciting. Then there's the BoxyCharm, which is $28. And then I got the big icon box. I've not opened any of these. I am so excited to open these on camera because I have no idea what I'm going to get. I do have a link below to Ipsy if you want to check it out. So first up, we're doing the little bag. This is just the Glam bag, which I always love the Glam bags. I actually need a new bag. Check that out. That's super cute. So what do we have in the Glam bag this month? We got, oh, this is cool. This is the Memoir Body Lotion Vanilla Frosting. Ooh, that sounds good. We got the, what is this one? Glow Recipe Watermelon. Oh, I always love, Glow Recipe's good. I do like Glow Recipe, and I do like that watermelon. We've got the Latte London. Look at that. Those are some nice fall shades. These look like pumpkin spice, don't they? I can't get that open. They look like pumpkin spice. Okay, that's kind of cool. We have the Lip Advocate Sheer Lip Tint. Which shade is this? What is it? Oh, cool. Look at that. That's another good fall color. Oh my gosh. Anyone else love their fall makeup, like revitalization? I always do that. I always love adding so much new stuff to my fall makeup. I love makeup in the fall. And this is the Saturday Skin Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream. So I have that too. Okay, you guys ready? Now we have the BoxyCharm box, which is $28. I need scissors for this one. I definitely need the scissors. Okay, got that open. You ready? Oh my gosh, it's always exciting to open a box like this because I have no idea what's in these. Oh, I got brushes. Okay, Beauty for Real. Check it out. I'm always in need of new brushes. Okay, so that's a win. I got the, what is this? This is the, oh my gosh, I can't even see this. Selfless by Hiram. What is it? An everyday product. What the heck is this? A daily barrier support moisturizer. I've never heard of this brand, but that's okay. Ooh, I got a mascara. I got the Forever Lash Mascara in Black by Billion Dollar Beauty. Check that out. Oh, I got a palette. Oh, what is this? Oh, Dew of the Gods. Lavender and Chamomile. What is this? Relaxation Body Scrub. Check this out. Oh, I gotta try that. That looks like fun. Let me put everything in this box, by the way, so I don't lose anything. And then the, what is this? Oh, Berries and Cream Dreams. Who is this by? Oh, Violet Voss. I like Violet Voss. Violet Voss is good. Let me check this one out. New palette. Okay, this is pretty for fall. Look at this. Oh my gosh, we have some really pretty shimmers too. I like wearing pink eyeshadow in the fall. I'm gonna have to do like a pink eyeshadow look because that's kind of a thing for me in the fall. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the icon box. This is exciting. You ready? I'm gonna dig into this. This is a $350 value. It's a big reveal. Get rid of that. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, Fenty Skin. This is the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. I love a good toner. I gotta tell you, I've used Clinique in the past as a toner, but I'm excited to try this one. This is a Fenty Skin. Okay, that's exciting. Next up we have, ooh, okay, this is good. This is the Color Boss Master Palette. Who is this by? Let me look at this. What company is this? This is the Il Makiage. I've heard of this. I probably said it wrong. Look at this. This thing is really shiny. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is going to be all shiny. This is beautiful. Oh, I'm keeping this one. I'm not gifting this one off. This is mine. A lot of times I gift these off to friends and family. This is a really heavy quality palette. I gotta look up the prices on this stuff. What is this one? Oh, I got the iconic, oh, the Lip and Cheek Cream Trio. That's exciting. Check it out. I like iconic. I do. They're a good one. Oh, I need my scissors again. Need my scissors. It's always fun to open new makeup. Does anyone else just get like overly excited when you get new makeup? I know I do. I'm just like, it's like a thrill. Some people like going to basketball games. No, I like getting new makeup. Oh my goodness. Look at this iconic palette. This is gorgeous. Okay, this is really, really pretty. I gotta swatch one of these. You ready? I like this because it's a cream. I feel like as I get older, I'm over 50, that I do like the creams a lot in the blush. Ooh, that's exciting. I got a NARS, what is this? Oh, an Air Matte lip color. Oh, it's brown. This is nice for fall. I gotta check this out. Look at this. I gotta check this out. Let me see. Let me see. I wonder if I can get this on without, ooh. It's a really nice fall color. Let me swatch this on my hand. Look at this. This is perfect for fall. Like I said, for some reason in fall, I get so excited with the new shades. What shade is this? My lighting is terrible tonight. Lose Control. This is nice. I like this one a lot. Okay, so I got that. And then I got the, oh my gosh, what is this? The Gold Fadden MD Facial Detox. I could definitely use a facial detox. I've been like neglecting my skin other than washing my face. I love the Avon for washing my face. I like the Farmer X, but I don't know. I've just been terrible lately about doing like scrubs and conditioning. Foaming face cleanser, Dr. B Lab. I'll have to try that. I love trying new things. And then, oh, there's two more things in here. I got a MAC. A MAC lip pencil. This is good because this kind of matches the lipstick, so that's pretty. And then I also got, what is this? Magic Serum Soothe and Strengthen. Again, another thing I probably should be using. This is Joanna Vargas. Everything that I need in my life is in these boxes. Seriously. Oh my gosh. This blush palette by Iconic London is gorgeous. You can use it on your lips too. How cool is that? I love it when there's a duo palette. So, thank you so much, Ipsy, for sending all of this stuff. I'm going to be trying some of this out. I'll be sharing some of the stuff on like TikTok and Instagram too. I'm definitely going to be sharing that palette out, the lip and cheek palette. We'll get rid of that. Like I said, if you want to check out Ipsy, I do have a link below, and thank you so much for gifting me 3 boxes this month. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.